Are you looking to develop an app that runs on Windows, Android, and iPhone simultaneously? Then Flutter is the best choice to develop such softwares using one code base. However, Android emulators and Android Studio don't usually work smoothly on low-end PCs. Today, I'll show you how to set up Flutter development system on low-end Windows PC without Android Studio and Emulator. We're going to use VS Code for writing code and Chrome as emulator. Let's get started with this tutorial. Download Flutter SDK from official website. Extract the files in C drive. If you want to learn building complete Flutter app using free Copilot chatbot in VS Code, leave a comment. Let me clean up a bit. Cool. Open the bin folder. Click on the address bar and copy the path. Open the Windows environment variables. Choose Path and click Edit. Click New and paste the bin folder path here. Now run Flutter Doctor in PowerShell. Everything is okay. Don't worry for these two errors. Open Visual Studio Code and install Dart and Flutter extensions. Now I check in Visual Studio's terminal, it is giving errors. Let's fix them. Close the VS Code and get back to PowerShell. Check for Flutter version. Now check for Flutter devices. We have got everything okay. Chrome and Edge are showing in devices. Now create a folder for Flutter projects. Open the folder in VS Code. Now run Flutter create your app name. Project is completed. Now change directory to your app folder. Now run Flutter run-d Chrome. Right-click, inspect, and change the responsive settings to a smartphone. If you want to learn building complete Flutter app using free Copilot chatbot in VS Code, leave a comment. Thanks for watching.